we cooking carrots, beetroot and pumpkin in our air fryer. They're already chopped and ready to go. Add whatever seasoning you fancy, and then add some olive oil. We'll cook them for 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius and stir halfway through. Okay, let's give them a stir and check if they're crispy enough at the end of the 35 minutes. Not quite crispy enough. Let's give them another 18 minutes. Of course you can adjust the times, depending on the quantity and how crispy you like them.
Deliciousness. You can eat them like this as a side dish, or if you want you can put some garlic in it, you can put some feta, a little bit of salad, and it can be as a main. I may show you a little bit what I might do later. And this is an example how you can serve this as a salad. I put it on iceberg lettuce leaves, then I put the roasted vegetables and sprinkle with feta cheese and drizzle with some lemon, and it's absolutely delicious. I hope you like it. Please share, like and subscribe.